Hello. My name is Robinson. I am applying for the position of Vice Coordination Projects. I am very interested in this opportunity because I had more than 12 years of experience in the contraction sector, leading projects and coordinating different activities. Um, During my professional experience, I am agility constructores. I and job developed a strong skill in project planning, budget control, material, material management, team coordination. I also have experience working with suppliers, supervising personnel, and making sure that projects are complicated, infinitely, and on time. I consider myself a responsible, organized, and proactive person. I I enjoy learning new things and improving my professional skills. I also have good abilities in leadership, communication, and team where we allow me to work effectively with different times and achieve project goals. Um, Currently, I am also studying business administration, which helps my strengthen my knowledge in management, planning, and financial control. Additionally, I have basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, full ability to work on drivers. I believe my experience, I believe my experience, commitment, and motivation can contribute positively to our company. Thank you. Bye.